Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your favorite corner of the internet for all things home, heart, and design. If you are new here, oh my goodness, you picked the perfect video to start with. Today we are diving deep into one of my absolute favorite topics, summer farmhouse design. We are talking about trends that feel fresh in 2026, but will honestly look stunning for years to come. So if you have been dreaming of a home that feels breezy, warm, and beautifully grounded all at once, stay with me. And before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite summer color. Let's get into it. Your home's exterior is your first hello to the world, and in summer farmhouse design, that hello should feel effortlessly charming. Think crisp white board and batten siding, paired with warm natural wood accents. That contrast is what designers call rustic refined. Add black metal window frames and a deep navy or sage green front door for a pop of seasonal color. Window boxes overflowing with white petunias or lavender instantly soften the facade. A classic lantern-style porch light in matte black completes the look. Keep your landscaping lush but tidy. That balances everything in timeless farmhouse curb appeal. Your entryway sets the mood the moment anyone steps inside, so let's make it count. In summer farmhouse style, think warm and hardworking. A shiplap-backed coat and hat hook rail in natural wood with aged iron hooks keeps outerwear organized and looks absolutely gorgeous. Below it, a slim shoe cabinet in white or weathered oak keeps things tidy. Add a cushioned bench with woven seating, perfect for slipping shoes off. Hang a vintage-style round mirror above to bounce light around. Finish with a jute or cotton stripe mat at the door and a small terracotta pot of seasonal blooms for that lived-in, sun-kissed farmhouse welcome. The farmhouse living room in 2026 is all about layered comfort with an airy summer twist. Start with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm white or natural flax. These are called relaxed upholstery pieces, and they invite you to truly sit back and exhale. Layer in a chunky cotton throw and mix throw pillows in dusty blue, sage, and cream. Ground the space with a large jute or wool rug. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table and a galvanized metal tray for styled moments. Tall dried pampas grass in a terracotta vase and a vintage lantern on the side table seal the summery farmhouse vibe beautifully. There is something deeply satisfying about a well-styled farmhouse dining table, and in summer it becomes truly magical. Choose a live-edge wood dining table or a classic farm table in white oak for that organic, grounding energy. Layer a linen table runner in warm oat or sage down the center. Style your table with a simple arrangement of wildflowers or cotton stems in a mason jar cluster. Mix and match ceramic plates in muted tones, earthy whites, soft blues, and warm terracotta. Linen napkins loosely folded beside mismatched vintage glassware add the kind of effortless elegance that makes every dinner feel like a celebration. The farmhouse kitchen in 2026 is where warmth and practicality hold hands beautifully. Shaker-style cabinets in soft white or a warm sage green are the backbone of this look, timeless and endlessly versatile. Open upper shelving styled with ironstone pitchers, glass jars of grains, and hanging dried herbs adds that beloved, collected over time feel. A farmhouse apron sink in white fire clay is non-negotiable. Your refrigerator in a panel-ready or retro cream finish keeps the aesthetic cohesive. On the countertop, a matte black stove brings in that industrial contrast. And yes, tuck a small, elegant coffee machine in a warm cream or copper finish into a dedicated little coffee nook. Morning goals. The family room is your home's true gathering heart, and farmhouse style makes it feel incredibly inviting even with modern tech at its center. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall in warm white. This is called a feature wall, and it is a game-changer for visual cohesion. Frame the TV with floating wood shelves styled with books, vintage clocks, and small potted succulents. A big, overstuffed sectional in a warm oatmeal or stone linen is your anchor piece. Add a woven storage ottoman as a coffee table, a knitted throw on the armrest, and a tall, arched floor lamp in black for that cozy golden hour glow every single evening. Not every home has a dedicated office, and that is perfectly okay. Farmhouse design thrives in clever, multifunctional spaces. Tuck a small, antique-style writing desk in a warm wood finish into a corner or alcove. Style it with a vintage brass desk lamp, a small potted herb in a terracotta pot, and here is a charming detail: a small, unique tabletop clock, think aged bronze or distressed wood face, and a tiny vintage-style mini radio for ambient music while you work. Right beside it, carve out a reading nook with a cushioned window seat, a linen pillow, and a small wicker basket filled with current reads. Pure farmhouse magic and productivity in one beautiful corner. Your bedroom should feel like the best boutique countryside inn you have ever stayed in, and in summer farmhouse style, that is absolutely achievable. Start with a beautiful upholstered headboard in natural linen, or choose a classic wooden sleigh bed in whitewashed oak. Dress your bed in layers: a crisp white cotton percale duvet, a light waffle weave blanket at the foot, and an assortment of pillows in soft florals and ticking stripes. Add a pair of wrought tan bedside tables, aged brass table lamps, and a potted fiddle leaf fig or eucalyptus stem in a simple ceramic base. Sheer linen curtains that billow gently in summer breeze complete this dreamy sanctuary perfectly. The farmhouse bathroom in 2026 leans into what designers call spa-inspired rusticity, and it is every bit as lovely as it sounds. Your shower should feature subway tile in soft white with a contrasting dark grout for that vintage detail. Add a rainfall showerhead in matte black and a reclaimed wood shower shelf for your botanicals and natural soaps. At the vanity, opt for a vessel sink or an undermount basin in white ceramic set into a natural wood or marble-topped console. A round mirror framed in wrought tan or wood, paired with aged brass fixtures, ties the whole room together. Stack linen hand towels, add a beeswax candle, and breathe it all in. Most homeowners completely overlook the garage as a design opportunity, but not us. A farmhouse-style garage starts with the door itself. Choose a carriage house-style door in white or warm wood stain with classic black hardware. This architectural detail alone transforms the entire look of your home. Inside, keep things organized with a pegboard wall in white for tool storage, both practical and visually clean. Add a rolling workbench in natural wood, and hang a vintage metal sign or an old farmhouse clock for personality. Even a simple window box above the garage door with trailing greenery creates that picture-perfect farmhouse moment from the street. This is where farmhouse summer design truly shines: the patio. Think of your outdoor space as an extension of your interior, not just a place to park a couple of chairs. Start with a large natural stone or concrete paver base for a grounded, earthy feel. Layer in a weathered teak or acacia wood dining set with linen seat cushions in warm terracotta and sage. String cafe lights overhead for that golden hour magic every evening. Add a potted olive tree or a cluster of tall lavender stems for fragrance and beauty. A simple outdoor lantern collection on a rustic console table and a cotton hammock tucked in the corner make your patio the summer destination everyone wants to visit. Here is one of my most asked questions. What colors should I actually use for a summer farmhouse home? The answer is beautifully simple. Build your palette around what nature already does in summer. Start with a warm white base, not a cold, stark white, but a soft, creamy one like Benjamin Moore's White Dove or Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. Layer in warm sage green, dusty terracotta, faded denim blue, and touches of warm gold. These are called muted naturals, and they work harmoniously in every space. Avoid anything too neon or too trendy. The whole point of timeless farmhouse design is that it looks just as gorgeous 5 years from now as it does today. Great farmhouse design is built on intentional furniture choices, and the key word here is intentional. Look for pieces with natural materials, solid wood, wrought tan, linen, jute, and cotton. Avoid anything too shiny, too matchy-matchy, or too perfectly uniform. Farmhouse style celebrates what designers call collected authenticity, the idea that your home looks gathered thoughtfully over time, not bought all at once from a single catalog. Mix a vintage find with a modern silhouette. Pair a rough-hewn wood console with a sleek ceramic lamp. That beautiful tension between old and new, rough and refined, is exactly what makes farmhouse furniture feel so alive and so deeply personal. Here is a little secret that professional designers know well. It is never the big pieces that make a room feel finished. It is the small, thoughtful details. In farmhouse summer style, think a cluster of mismatched vintage mason jars filled with wildflowers, a stack of linen-bound books on a side table, an antique brass compass, or a small wooden bowl of river stones on a shelf. Layer your textiles, a jute rug under a cotton-printed one, linen curtains with a subtle embroidered hem. Hang a vintage botanical print in a simple black frame. Use beeswax candles and aged ceramic holders. These small moments of warmth and intention are what guests always notice and what make your home feel undeniably, deeply yours. Lighting in farmhouse design is not just functional, it is atmospheric, and it deserves serious thought. The key principle is called layered lighting, which simply means using multiple light sources at different heights to create warmth and dimension. Start with a statement overhead fixture. A large wrought tan pendant or a wrought iron chandelier with Edison bulbs works beautifully. Add table lamps in every main seating area for soft, ambient glow. Use wall sconces in the hallway and bathroom. And never underestimate the power of candles and string lights, especially in summer when the evenings are long and golden. Warm-toned bulbs in the 2,700K range make every farmhouse space feel instantly cozier and more inviting. You do not need a full renovation to bring summer farmhouse energy into your home. You just need a focused weekend and a clear plan. Start by swapping out your heavy winter textiles for lighter ones. Linen throws, cotton pillow covers, lightweight curtains. Then bring in fresh greenery and seasonal blooms. Sunflowers, lavender, eucalyptus, and cotton stems are perfect farmhouse picks. Clear your countertops and shelves of clutter and restyle them with intentional groupings of 3: a plant, a candle, and a book or basket. Finally, open your windows, let in the summer air and light, and step back. You will be amazed at how much a few thoughtful swaps can completely transform the feeling of your entire home. One of the most beautiful things about farmhouse design is that it celebrates imperfection, history, and simplicity, which means you genuinely do not need to spend a fortune to achieve it. Thrift stores and estate sales are treasure troves for ironstone pitchers, vintage mirrors, wooden crates, and aged frames. Learn to DIY your own shiplap accent wall using plywood strips. It is easier and cheaper than you think. Paint old furniture in matte chalk paint for an instant farmhouse transformation. Shop your own home. Often the most beautiful vignette is made from things you already own, simply rearranged and restyled. Farmhouse design rewards the creative, the patient, and the resourceful above all else. The farmhouse aesthetic in 2026 is not about recreating a museum of the past. It is about blending old soul with fresh, contemporary energy. This approach is what designers call transitional farmhouse or modern farmhouse, and it is the most livable and enduring version of the style. The rule of thumb is simple. For every modern, clean-lined piece you bring in, balance it with something worn, found, or handcrafted. A sleek white sofa gets a vintage grain sack pillow. A minimalist kitchen gets open shelving with collected ceramics. A contemporary bed frame gets layered antique linens. That dynamic conversation between new and old, smooth and textured, minimal and abundant, is the secret soul of timeless farmhouse design. And there you have it, friend. A complete tour through the summer farmhouse design trends that are shaping beautiful, timeless homes in 2026 and well beyond. From your sun-kissed facade to your blooming patio, from your cozy family room to your spa-inspired bathroom, every single space in your home has the potential to feel warm, grounded, and genuinely beautiful. Remember, great design is not about perfection. It is about intention, personality, and the courage to create a space that truly feels like you. Start small, trust your instincts, and have fun with it. I hope today's video inspired you in the best possible way. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves home design, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Drop a comment below and tell me which room you are tackling first. I read every single one. Until next time, keep making your home a place you absolutely love coming back to. See you in the next video.